Hi there, you should stop treating all the customers the same and instead use RFM analysis. RFM analysis is going to help you differentiate between your champion customers, your loyal customers versus the rest, so that you can spend your energy and time on customers who actually make you money. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to do this RFM analysis using AI. And I'm going to use my platform datajarvis.ai, and you can also try it out. So let us go to my platform datajarvis, and here let us first of all go ahead and select the app which is going to help us do this RFM analysis. Now, RFM analysis stands for Recency, Frequency and Monetary Analysis. It is going to help you segment your customers on how recently they have purchased, which is recency, how often do they buy, which is frequency, and how much do they spend, which is monetary. So with this analysis, you will be able to find your champion customers. So these customers are the most valuable customers to you, who are buying often and they spend big. As well as it is also going to help you identify the customers at risk. So this is going to help you also determine your marketing technique, your marketing strategy, so that you can do personalized marketing campaigns for all these different segments. So let us now get started, and here we can see some sample data, and of course if you want you can also upload your own data. So this data has got the invoice details, it has got the customer ID, as well as it has got information on the invoice date as well as the amount. Now let us configure this RFM analysis. So this requires to specify a customer ID column, which is customer ID in our case, the invoice date column as well as the invoice amount column. Now let us run this analysis. So behind the scenes, the RFM analysis is trying to identify the recency, frequency and monetary value of each and every customer, and then based on that it is going to come out with some very interesting segments. So here it has analyzed 42 customers, and it has also indicated that what is the total revenue which these customers are bringing, as well as what is the average revenue per customer. In addition, you also have a very nice textual description of this RFM analysis. So it indicates on how healthy is your customer base, as well as where is your most revenue concentration, like is it coming from the champions as well as loyal customers, as well as it is also indicating other segments which indicate customers which require attention and customers which are hibernating. Now, in addition, it also gives you some nice recommendation on how to grow your customer base as well as revenue, and it also breaks down the customers into different segments. So here we can see the champion segment, which consists of 10 customers. So these are your best customers who have bought recently, who buy often and who spend the most. It has also created some other segments such as loyal customers and customers, for example, who need attention. So these customers who need attention are those who have an above average recency, frequency and monetary, but they have not bought something recently. So these are some very interesting segments which this RFM analysis creates, and it also gives you the distribution by different segments as well as revenue by different segments. And you also have a tabular information where each customer is assigned a segment. So RFM analysis is very useful to identify who are your champion customers, who are your loyal customers versus the rest, so that you can create targeted marketing campaigns for these specific segments.